Hey, this is David Rich again from housebearings.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a sink on a solid wood countertop. We put the countertop in a while ago and now we just got the sink and it's ready to go. So we'll show you how to do this yourself so you can save a lot of money in the process. Alright, so what we've done is we found the center of the sink. It lines up with our drawer handle and we have this pre-plumbed. This is a new drain location to this deal. The sink used to be on this side and we changed the countertop and we added this countertop, and so now we've run the plumbing, so it's going to be in this cabinet, and we measured the front of the sink from here to the front of the sink has to be behind this cabinet, and we know that's about 4 inches, so we gave ourselves a little extra room. So now that we've got it all situated exactly where we want, this sink is they say just to go ahead and trace this, and we made sure everything was squared up first. So that's our tracing, and this is just our standard sink. We traced 3/8 of an inch inside our outline of the sink, and that's the tracing is going to be our cutting line. Now we've got that, our starter holes, and now we're just going to go hole to hole. Let's see if this blade that we've got has the power to do it. It does not. Alright, we're getting the big boy out. We're going to the Sawzall fire rescue blade. This thing will go through anything. And just because it's such a huge chunk of wood, we don't want to be here all night. Man,
is it not sharp enough?
The problem is me going around the horn here. We're stepping it up here and we're going with the circular saw just because with using a huge blade on the Sawzall, I couldn't see what I was doing. So at least we can do the square cuts with this, and then we'll do we have found a thinner blade for the Sawzall, and we'll just try to do the corner cuts with it. That was nice. Really hard to see. Bullseye! Alright, that's a chunk of wood. Pretty massacred, but we got through. Alright, and the beauty of this is it can be all kind of rough cut because we're dropping the sink in and the edge of the sink will cover the rough cut. Let's see how we did. Wow! After all that struggle, looks perfect. So all we have left now, it comes with already a spongy end, so we're not even going to have to caulk that. We're simply going to lay that down there, and then these clamps clamp the sink from underneath. And we'll screw into the bottom of this. and we're done. So, as you can see, and this happens a lot when we do a project, started off with the jigsaw, figured, oh, it would be slow, but we'll get there. Well, it was hardly moving through the wood at all. So then we went with the huge blade on the Sawzall, couldn't see what we were doing. Then we moved to the circular saw. That did the job, but obviously doesn't do corners. And so then we went back to a skinny blade on the Sawzall to finish it up. It helps if you have lots of tools. But more than tools, it's perseverance. So here's the deal. You can do this at home. If you got a countertop that needs a sink, all you have to do is line it up square with the cabinet, cut your hole, and then last but not least, mount the sink from underneath.